Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Gadait International. Today, I will be showing you around a brand new modern villa located in the prestigious village of Akasha. The prestigious villas of Akasha are nestled in a magical place at the entrance of Tamarin on the west coast of Mauritius. Bordered by the Tamarin Golf Course and the Rempart River, offering access to the sea and forming a striking natural peninsula of beauty, and descends gently towards the river that flows peacefully to the mythical Bay of Tamarin. This fully furnished villa boasts a modern, fully equipped American-style kitchen which combines both functionality and aesthetics. It consists of numerous storage spaces, as well as 2 large fridges, a built-in oven, a dishwasher, 2 sinks and an induction hob, ready to cook a sumptuous meal for your family. Adjacent to it, we have this marvelous, carefully set up dining table, marinating with the reviving paintings on the wall. The exterior is in tune with the rest of the home, with the turquoise water of a swimming pool contrasting the lush green vegetation of palm trees. So to conclude, I will give you 3 reasons why this house should be your next purchase. Firstly, it is located in a gated community with 24/7 security, which means you do not have to worry about anything. Secondly, it is in a perfect location with proximity to the beach, the schools, the restaurants, and a golf course. Thirdly, it is a brand new villa at an affordable price of only $775,000. Alternatively, you may choose to rent this villa at a monthly price of 100,000 rupees. If you would like more information about this lavish villa, do not hesitate to contact me on the below number, and it will be a pleasure for me to show you around. See you soon!